Today we're going to talk about the HPS variable frequency drive. The HPS drive is manufactured by Spoc for use in injection pump applications. In an injection pump application, there are many things that make up the system, many components in that system. The first, as we all would know, would be the pump. The second would be the field signals, whether they be analog or discrete style, Murphy style gauges, many people would know them as. The third is the VFD, which actually controls the motor in the pump. The fourth is the PLC, it controls the logic. What's happening, at what rate is it happening, when does it happen? There's installation that's required to connect some of these devices between each other. Usually the PLC and VFD would require some special technology, and after you install them, then you need to bring in a separate technician to come and make them communicate and make them operate together as a system. The Spoc HPS series drive makes this process a little simpler. So although you may be used to paying about $25,000 for a variable speed drive, the Spoc HPS drive might cost you a bit more. Traditionally about $3,000 more. The PLC system, however, that you normally pay somewhere between $1,500 and $10,000 for, doesn't cost you anything at all because you don't need one. The technicians you're going to hire to install and connect these systems, that might cost you about $1,000 to do that work, you don't need to do. It's pre-done at the factory for you. And the startup technician to come and make these things actually work, make them, configure them, and connect them so the system is operating as a system instead of as a bunch of components. Instead of costing you $2,000 to do that, you don't need to. We did it at the factory for you. The system, in addition to allowing you to save money in the capital side, saves you time because you don't need to worry about all this interconnection. You don't need to coordinate multiple startup technicians at the same place. It saves you time. It gets your system running more quickly, more reliably, more dependably.